Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new video. A month since we're in Australia, Perth, Western Australia. Well, a lot of things has happened since that moment. Well, a lot of things happened since the day we arrived here. And in today's video, we are discussing the opportunity that we have recently landed, which is the job in the mine. And this is our private room, alright? And on the bed you see already some goodies, but we'll take it from there. Let me show you first the room. This is our private room with a single bed, a side table, fridge, a bit of an office area, TV, aircon, and there is the bathroom. Only a month in, and we are, let's say, a month and 2 weeks, because although I got the offer a month ago, I couldn't start earlier. So here we are inside the mines. We are at the Top Drill Kalgoorlie site here in Western Australia. We just got here today and we were gifted all these goodies: free pair of pants, a polar, a high vest, a free shirts set, a polo, and the shoes. All this gear is actually pretty pricey. Well, how did I get a job? What am I doing here? To be honest with you, I don't know as well. I don't know what am I doing here. I'm extremely out of my comfort zone. I haven't done a manual job in my life, so I am not ready for all this. But what can I do? I wanted to try. I wanted to come to Australia to try the mines, so here we are. Unfortunately, I didn't land a job in utility the way that I wanted, cleaning, taking care about the campsite, etc, etc. Not because I like doing that, just because of the money. I got myself a job as assistant driller, apparently the worst job you can find in the mine, the toughest, the roughest. So everyone around me has told me, bro, do not do this. This is extremely rough, it's extremely tiring, and you are not fit for it. Well, although I'm sure that some of them are generally trying to help me, I am here. I am extremely stressed out about this, because generally I'm scared in going for this job, but you know what, I will give it a try. Worst case scenario, I will leave it. I want to remind myself that I am here for an adventure, for an experience, and I want to try something different compared to what I was doing home. Probably I will find my trade. Probably I will be able to, get to work and do different things. I don't know. I genuinely do not know. But what I know is that I'm here. I got called up yesterday night to depart this morning, so I didn't even manage to leave my previous workplace in good terms, because I didn't yet inform them that I'm leaving. So this is a brief video to show you that we are in the mine. We made it. Well, guess how much am I getting paid? Well, I will let you know about this in a second. Let's admire the gear. Absolutely top class stuff. Looking forward in having a look. We'll have 2 days induction here in Kalgoorlie, and then we will be assigned to a rig. From that moment on, the real deal begins. So let's see. I'm actually scared. In regards to good stuff, I'll be working 2 weeks, 1 week off, as soon as I will start getting my schedule on point. And the pay is, on a full-time contract, $35 an hour. Is good, is bad? Well, compared to the other guys that I've seen around, most of them, they do casual work, so they get $5 more than I do, $40 an hour. But this one apparently gives you some benefits, such as holidays, sick leave, etc, etc. Hopefully we'll not need to use that. I don't know how long I will resist. I just wanted to try. I want to see. I will take it from there, and no pressure whatsoever. Although in my mind I have extremely loads of pressure and bad thoughts. not bad in terms of bad as the meaning of the word, but just, you know, difficult thoughts. Food is included, accommodation is included. I came here for this. I never thought in my life that I will ever want to do something like that, but the propaganda, the main propaganda in Europe is actually working. So many people trying to get here, get in, and land a job as soon as possible. So yeah, in a way I'm lucky that I'm here. In the other way, I will see if I'm actually able to do this job. Anyway, without further ado, guys, my adventure here in Australia is going slow. So far, I didn't make good money. The truth is that the job that I was doing, although I did it for 3 weeks, actually almost a month on the 4th of September, didn't bring that much money, 850 a week. In the mine, I'll be making this money in literally less than 2 days. So yeah, it is what it is. And hopefully I'll be able to keep it and save some money, because as I already mentioned to you guys, the fact that I traveled for the last 6 months actually kind of drained my budget, and I need a source of income that could replenish that in no time. So here we are, bag, goodies, we're in Kalgoorlie. Tomorrow we'll start our 2 days induction. We'll take it from there, and I'm looking forward in seeing if I am able to do it. I will try to keep you updated as much as I can. Of course, due to contract reason, I cannot film most of this specific branded top drill machineries and stuff, but I will try to be as discreet as possible, and I will try to give you a glimpse of working in the mines and how actually does it work. I will tell you a little bit more in the next video in regards how I got the job and all the other particular information that you might want to know based on the comments that I will receive. You take care, and I'll see you in the next video. From Kalgoorlie and my end suite, it's everything. Till the next time, you take care, and I will take care as well. Bye.